at school, we were just, there was a video from the last Solar Boats challenge. So, and I think a catamaran won one of the races.
Yeah, won one of the top awards. We had these so that the solar panel wouldn't be sitting here because it kept falling off, which was quite annoying. We
managed to sort out balance with a lead ball. Yep, over there.
The one problem is our pool was a lot shorter, so it was a lot easier to get from one end to another.
And we weren't as aware because none of us have been to the solar boat challenge. Probably the shape of the boat, and also we found that the angle of the if we cut the popsicle sticks we put in for the sort of legs for the catamaran parts, we should have made them smaller, so it actually apparently works with a lot of people, and they've also done it that the engine should be more tilted to the side, so then it's more straight out, and then apparently it goes faster.
I learned a lot about solar energy.
Yeah, and that sometimes the switches aren't working, but so we just flip it around and